Alright, welcome back everybody. So, Reggae Boy Kaheem Parris, youngster out of Jamaica, 22 years old at the time of this video, is attracting a lot of attention across Europe, especially from Belgium according to his agent. Now the Gleaner, with a headline saying Kaheem Parris grabs interest across Europe. FC KOPER winger Kaheem Parris has been generating interest from clubs across Europe following standout performances in the first half of the Slovenian PRVA or Prava Premier League season. Parris, one of the club's leading attackers with 5 goals and 3 assists, has been attracting increasing interest, especially from Belgium, with Parris's agent Kevin Cowan predicts a summer move for the 22-year-old. Based on the calls I have been receiving from clubs across Europe, it is highly probable Kaheem Parris will transfer this summer. The majority of the interest is from the Belgian top flight. There has also been a few inquiries from Switzerland, but with the success of Kaheem in the first part of the season and the footprint Jamaicans have made in Belgium, they are tracking him very closely, he said. Inquiries started in the January transfer window, but no offer met the club's evaluation. The club is also in a very promising position to win the league and the cup and advance to Europe, and is very reluctant to let go of its star player with so much at stake. Now, FC KOPER are very keen to have the player until the end of the season because they are fighting for the title and they are in the cup semi-finals. They believe they have a good opportunity with Paris to win the league and qualify for the Champions League's playoffs or go into the Europa Conference League playoffs, said Cowan. It will take approximately €1 million to get the deal done, and based on his performances in the second half of the season, that could increase, he noted. According to Cohen, Parris may have to improve his physicality to better assimilate to the demands of the Belgian top flight. The Belgian league is very physical, so transition could be tricky. The technical side and the tactical awareness are no issue, but the league is very demanding physically. We'll have a nutrition and strength program for him to follow closely in the preseason. The club which the player joins, we will have a discussion with them to help his transition a smooth one, he said. He added that the player was disappointed not to be a part of the Gold Cup tournament or the World Cup qualifying, but is still very motivated to make an impression with the national team. He says even though he has been overlooked by the national team, he is still hoping to impress. Parris wants to play for the national team. He was disappointed not to be involved in the Gold Cup and the World Cup qualification. He's a competitor who believes in himself, and he has been waiting patiently for them to call on him so we can show them that he has something to contribute, said Cohen. So we're trying to keep it positive here, alright? Good news, this is a good look for Kaheem Parris in terms of his career. The Belgian league would be a good step up. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned.